Now there are so many AI tools out there. One of the most prominent ones is Grok. This is one of Elon Musk's companies. In Grok, if you wanted to generate videos, you can do that. In this video, we'll be talking about how to generate videos in Grok. For this, first, what we need to do is open Grok. After opening Grok, you can either see the Imagine option here or the Create Video option here. If you click on either one, you'll reach a page like this. Here you need to give a prompt. Click on this, and when you do, down here you can see two options, one is image and one is video. Select video. After that, type your prompt here. Once you've typed the prompt, click on the send button. When you click it, the video will be generated. And one important thing is, here you can see I've given a short prompt, but when you're giving a prompt, don't use this kind of short one. It should be a long prompt. You should mention maximum details. For example, I've typed a running man. If you're typing that, what you need to do is mention his age, his height, his dress, his color, and every detail you should include. Even background details you should mention. So if you include this type of details, you'll get much better results. You'll get the video that was in your mind. And one thing is, you may not be good at prompting. In that case, what you can do is go to Grok and ask Grok to generate a good prompt for you. For that, go to a new page, and there ask Grok to generate a good prompt, and when generating a good prompt, 3 things you should keep in mind to get great results. First, you should assign one role to Grok, then you should give the context, then you should tell what you want. For example, in our case, we want a good prompt, so the role I'm assigning is you're an expert prompt engineer with 5 years of experience. After that you need to tell what you want. We want a prompt to generate a video, and after that you need to give the context. In this case, you need to give maximum details about your video, like I said. Anyway, after that you will get a good prompt. You need to copy that prompt and paste it here. Then you'll get a great video. Anyway, now this video is generated. Here you can see their sound. You can hear sound here, and if you want to download this video to your phone, click on this download button. When you click it, this video will be downloaded to your phone. And above you can see 3 dots, click on those 3 dots. And here you can see the delete video option. If you want to delete it, you can do that. There's also a share option. And if you like this video and you want to add it to your favorites section, click on this button and you can add it to favorites. And here you can see options. Click on these options and if you want to upscale this video, click on upscale and this video will be upscaled. And another thing is, sometimes you may want to generate a video from a photo. In that case, what you can do is, right here on this Imagine page, you can upload your photo. For example, above you can see animate your photo. Here you can see every photo in your gallery. From that, select the photo. For example, I'm selecting this photo. Now when you select that photo, you can see it's generating a video. So from photos also, you can generate videos. And another thing is, if you want to give a prompt, you can give one here. After clicking here, you can tell what you want in that video. Now here you can see that the video is generated, so this way also you can generate a video from your photo. So this way you can easily generate videos in Grok. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.